like I need to be like down low. Sure, we got low. Copyright. Hey guys. Okay, so today we're gonna be making Sarah's Day's famous cookies. Oh my gosh, this is so difficult. Okay, literally vlogging and driving, do not recommend. Right now I'm in the car heading to Whole Foods to get some of the ingredients for her cookies. They sound like they're probably gonna have no flavor, but we will see. Vlogging is so weird. This is like my first time vlogging out in public, and at the grocery store it's gonna be interesting. I just parked at Whole Foods. Mission: not spend $100 on these cookies. Let's see what happens. Someone definitely just walked by and was judging me hardcore, but also like, yo, what's up, YouTube? Huh? I didn't realize that this recipe calls for 3 types of flour: buckwheat, tapioca, and almond. I have coconut flour at my apartment, and I'm kind of tempted to just cut out one of these. Why are there so many kinds? I don't know. Definitely did not vlog as much as I wanted to in that store, because people kept coming by and asking if I needed anything. I spent $28.50 something. I tried to, you know, channel Sarah with act confident and no one will question you, until people really started questioning me, and then yeah. I just parked. When I was driving, I came up with the idea for a series that if these cookies taste like shit and I have all this like $30 worth of healthy stuff, I actually have to force myself to cook new things and use them up. That'll be very exciting because then my money isn't going to waste. So yeah, the name for the series is to come. I'm thinking something like Pretending I'm Healthy Kitchen. That, you know, is kind of a mouthful, but the ingredients you never use kitchen. Cook with me. That has a lot of ring to it. Cooking with Jenna. Feet. Healthy. Health. It'll hit me. Obviously not right now, but it will. If you think of something really creative, comment down below. Thanks, yo. Is Health Kitchen a thing? Let's make it a thing. If it's not, Health Kitchen. For the not healthy. Yeah, there we go. Can you say hello? Can you say hello, friends? Hi guys, what is up? We are back for another video. Okay, so it's been a while since I filmed anything, and I want to say a lot has happened, but like not a lot has happened. I am officially back home for the summer. School has ended, got a 4.0, humble brag. I don't remember what the last part of this video that I filmed was. Time just got away from me, and before I knew it, it was finals, and now I'm home. So here we are, let's get it. We are gonna have a little kitchen cooking, baking show. Woo, yay, awesome. Still need to come up with a creative name. It's been 2 months pretty much since I filmed the first part of this video, and still I haven't really thought about any other names. So I have all of these different ingredients, and these are just some of them. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which I have to Google, 356 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm just gonna do 350. Also, I don't have all the ingredients she used, but she said it didn't matter, so we're going with that. 1.5 cups of blanched almond flour. This is the one I got. Also, I haven't said it yet, I don't think, but hi, what's up? My name is Jenna. Thank you for watching my video. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and like this video because I will actually be posting more content. I keep saying it, but I'm gonna do it. I promise. Welcome. Thank you. 3/4 cup of buckwheat flour. Buckwheat I actually ended up not buying. So I have coconut flour, and I'm gonna try and use that. This might end up really bad. Such quality content. But you know, that's what Sarah's all about. So she is here for things not always being perfect, but act confident and no one will question you. A 4th cup of tapioca flour. I've been following her since the very beginning, back when she was making videos about her skin, sitting on her bed in her room at her parents' house. 3 to 4 dashes of salt. I don't know how much dashes. A dash of cinnamon. That's a bad dash. 3/4 teaspoon baking powder. 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar from Whole Foods. It is so good. I've never had coconut sugar before trying this, and it tastes like brown sugar. I obviously live in the States. Don't think we have Loving Earth chocolate. I was searching for a cane sugar-free vegan, all that nonsense chocolate bar like Sarah used, but I didn't find ones without sugar in. She was showing in her video how it only has like 2 or 3 ingredients. These don't, but they sounded good. They are dairy-free, soy-free, vegan, gluten-free. Yeah. I feel like in Sarah's videos, she has it very put together, very professional. This baking video feels a lot more Emma Chamberlain style. I'm sweating right now, and I have a sweat stash. This is cute. People who are gonna comment, "You're so annoying," like, I know. If you don't like me, don't watch my video. Simple as that. Thanks for the view though, hon. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm stalling. The oven is ready. I need to finish this. Okay, the wet ingredients. So wet. Over here with great original content and fantastic humor. Hey, at least I'm not filming a let the person in front of me pick what I'm eating today tee-hee-hee video. Heaping tablespoons of coconut oil. 1 tablespoon of honey. Yes, this isn't a vegan recipe because it has honey in. She also uses an egg, which is not vegan, obviously. Dash of almond milk. We have lactate milk, so here we are. I don't drink milk, vanilla extract, and then an egg. Oh, I hate eggs. I know, people are gonna comment being like, use an egg alternative if you hate eggs. Eggs are bad for you anyway. I know. And vanilla extract. And microwave this for 30 seconds. I guess you're supposed to microwave it so the coconut oil is liquidy. So this is that, and that is that. This lighting is so much nicer. Wow. I'm like really sweating right now. Holy schnakies. I'm mixing right now. Okay, it does smell really good. That's the vanilla though that I'm smelling. It's so dry. So I was supposed to add something called like yacon syrup, yacon. I don't know what that is. Is it frowned upon if I add maple syrup? This is not even good maple syrup. It's like, just a little bit of that, a little bit of water. Because right now it's just so dry. And dry like my love life. Also, it's really, really dry. So clearly I'm missing something. Oh, I guess more milk. That's not gonna help the flavor though. Okay, it's so dry. It's crumbling. I don't know what to do. I added a little bit more honey and then some coconut oil. Okay, wait. This is resembling actual cookie dough a little bit. Like this part in the center here is, okay, it's pretty fucking crumbly. Let's get our cookie sheet and some parchment paper, and maybe, this is gonna go wrong. I mean, positive energy. This is gonna be great. Okay, if I like didn't know any better, I would think this is cookie dough, sort of. How about we're gonna make a couple and see how they turn out. This looks like a proper ball of cookie dough. I'm gonna put these in the oven. So they're gonna bake for 10 minutes and then we'll check back in. Just took them out of the oven. Realized I was supposed to flatten them, but they look exactly the same. Trying to figure out what it needs. It needs something. She needs help. The almond flavor is very strong. Like, if you don't like almonds, you will not like this. It's very dry. Okay, I don't think it was a total bust. Slight bust? Absolutely. Total bust? Nah. Wow, I need water after that. Had Sarah of the Sarah's Day made me cookies, I feel like they would taste really good. This is not Jeffree Star approved. I'm sweating. Oh no, my camera's about to die. I'm gonna finish this batch, charge my camera, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, they all survived, just barely. I just took a bite of one. I didn't even realize I was eating anything because it tasted like absolutely nothing.
When you nod your head yes, but you wanna say no, what do you mean? Hey, when you don't want me to move.
So will I end up eating them? Most likely. Will I enjoy every bite of it? Probably not. As I had said when I first filmed the first part of this, if they don't work, I'm gonna use these ingredients up. So, time to start figuring out new recipes to use these random ingredients, and it'll be great and tasty and fantastic. BuzzFeed Tasty better move over because Jenna Tasty. Name in progress. Well, anyway, thanks for watching this absolute shit show of me trying to make Sarah's Days cookies. Please subscribe. We could be friends then, because I need friends. That cannot be my catchphrase, but watch me make it my catchphrase. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye, guys. Say bye.